We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the Frigidaire FMIS 120 9-mint mini personal fridge cooler, a compact and retro-inspired appliance designed for those seeking convenience and style in a small package. If you own this fridge, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other shoppers make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Frigidaire FMIS 129 Mint Mini Personal Fridge Cooler is a 4-liter, 1-gallon capacity mini fridge that fits up to 6 standard cans. Its compact dimensions, approximately 9.84 inches deep, 7.09 inches wide, and 10.35 inches high, make it ideal for tight spaces such as dorm rooms, bedrooms, offices, classrooms, or even for use in vehicles. The fridge is marketed not only as a beverage cooler, but also as a storage solution for snacks, skincare products, medications, and beauty tools, offering a refreshing twist to daily routines. The retro charm of its design, available in a variety of stylish colors, is a major draw for users who want their appliances to complement their personal aesthetic. One of the standout features of this mini fridge is its portability. Weighing only 3 pounds and equipped with a convenient carrying handle, it is easy to move from room to room or even take on the go. The inclusion of both a standard home outlet plug and a 12V car adapter enhances its versatility, allowing users to run the fridge in a variety of settings, from a desk at work to a road trip in the car. The heavy-duty locking latch and robust door hinge provide added security, ensuring that contents remain safely stored during transport. When it comes to storage, the fridge's 4-liter capacity is modest but functional. It can hold 6 cans, 4 standing vertically and 2 lying horizontally on top of the others. This makes it suitable for keeping a small selection of drinks cold or for storing items like condiments in small containers. Many users also use it for skincare products such as serums, masks, and creams, which benefit from being kept cool. The adjustable wire shelf offers some flexibility in organizing the interior, though the small size naturally limits what can be stored inside. Performance is a key consideration for any fridge, and the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge receives mixed feedback in this area. Many users report that it keeps drinks and snacks cold, sometimes even forming a bit of frost inside on the back wall. This level of cooling is generally sufficient for beverages, snacks, and skincare, but it is important to note that the fridge is not designed for long-term food storage or for items requiring precise temperature control. Some reviewers mention that the fridge keeps items cooler rather than ice cold, which is typical for thermoelectric mini fridges in this price range. Noise is a recurring theme in user feedback. While some owners praise the fridge for its quiet operation, describing it as a gentle hum that is barely noticeable in a quiet room, others find it to be quite noisy, especially when placed on a countertop or in a bedroom. The variance in noise levels may be due to differences between individual units or user sensitivity to sound. For those who are particularly sensitive to noise, especially in settings where silence is important, such as a bedroom or study, this is an important factor to consider. Some users compare it to older models they have owned, noting that those were almost silent, while the FMIS 129 Mint can be noticeably louder. Cooling speed is another aspect that draws attention. The fridge takes some time to reach its optimal temperature after being plugged in, which is consistent with other mini fridges of this type. Users recommend allowing the fridge several hours to cool down fully before loading it with drinks or snacks. Once at temperature, it maintains a consistent chill, though it runs continuously until powered off. This continuous operation is typical for thermoelectric coolers and contributes to the steady temperature inside. Energy efficiency is generally viewed positively. With an annual energy consumption of about 100 kilowatt hours, the fridge does not significantly impact electricity bills, making it a cost-effective solution for supplemental cooling needs. The ETL certification provides additional peace of mind regarding safety and energy use. Durability and longevity are areas where user experiences diverge. Some owners report years of reliable service, while others experience failures after a year or so of intermittent use. One common complaint is that the fridge may stop working entirely after about a year and a half, sometimes failing to power on even after being unplugged for extended periods. This issue appears to be relatively widespread, as several users mention similar experiences and note that online research reveals it to be a known problem. For those seeking a long-term investment, this is a potential drawback, though the low price point may offset concerns for users who only need a short-term solution. Aesthetically, the fridge receives high marks. Its retro design and vibrant color options make it a popular gift, especially for teenagers or anyone looking to add a playful touch to their space. The compact size and lightweight build are frequently cited as advantages, making it easy to integrate into a variety of environments. Parents, in particular, appreciate the fridge for its ability to store breast milk and breast pumps during the day, while others use it to keep drinks and snacks handy in a classroom or office setting. The fridge's ability to double as a skincare cooler is especially popular among beauty enthusiasts, who enjoy the added luxury of chilled products. Setup and usability are straightforward. The fridge arrives ready to use. Simply plug it in, and it begins cooling. The removable wire shelf allows for some customization of the interior space, though the limited height restricts the size of items that can be stored upright. The locking latch and secure door hinge are practical features, especially for those who plan to transport the fridge or use it in shared spaces. There are some practical considerations to keep in mind regarding placement. The fridge features vents on the sides, back, and bottom, which are essential for proper airflow and cooling. Placing the fridge directly on carpet or blocking the bottom vent can lead to condensation and moisture buildup, potentially damaging the carpet or reducing the efficiency of the cooling system. Users recommend placing the fridge on a hard, flat surface or using a board or tray to ensure adequate air movement beneath the unit. The fridge's limitations are largely a function of its size and price point. It is not intended for storing large quantities of food or for use as a primary refrigerator. The cooling capacity is sufficient for drinks, snacks, and small containers, but it will not reach the temperatures required for long-term food preservation. The noise level, while acceptable to some, may be a deal breaker for others, particularly in quiet environments. Additionally, the potential for early failure is a concern, though the majority of users report satisfaction with the product's performance during its operational lifespan. In summary, the Frigidaire FMIS 129 Mint Mini Personal Fridge Cooler is a stylish, portable, and affordable solution for those seeking supplemental cooling in a compact form factor. Its retro design, lightweight build, and dual power options make it a versatile choice for a variety of settings, from bedrooms and dorms to offices and vehicles. The fridge excels at keeping drinks, snacks, and skincare products cool, and its ease of use and portability are frequently highlighted by satisfied owners. While noise and long-term durability are potential drawbacks, the overall value proposition is strong, especially for users with modest cooling needs and a preference for style and convenience. If you are considering this mini fridge, be sure to check the link in the description to support the channel and see the latest pricing and availability. And if you already own the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.